Like we just cooked a dried pasta and then dried it again. Let's see what the fuss is about. What up, people? Today I'm back with yet another viral TikTok recipe. This is the end of the trilogy. Third one is usually the best one. God, I love Shrek 3. Bruh. Anyway, today we're making pasta chips. Are they worth it? No foreshadowing. Are they any good? I know for a fact they're crispy as hell. Without further ado, let's roll, baby. Okay, the recipe is super easy. To start off, we're gonna need to boil some pasta. For that, you know the drill. Fill the pot with water. A bit too much. Maybe a bit more.
Man, stop playing with me!
There we go. Now, add some salt. And we're gonna go to the stovetop. Nice. Boil the water. And then we're gonna add in the pasta. But this time, Italians, I'm sorry. Again, I'm committing a crime. We're overcooking the pasta. As you can see, when it's al dente, what it means basically that in the middle, there's still uncooked pasta, like just a tiny strip. That way, when you put it in a sauce, it just cooks fully almost. And it's more chewy, more hard this way. And when it's fully cooked, well, what we will get is a bit more of a squishier pasta, which is better for our application this time because we're gonna fry it in the oven or air fryer or oil. Choose whatever you like. I have an oven, so I'm gonna do that. And that way it will make it more crispy and more edible, I guess. We'll see how it goes. So see you when the pot boils. Why do I snap? Righty. The pot is boiling. We're gonna add 250 grams of pasta. I have to cut open the bag. I'm very prepared. Now follow the manufacturer's instructions. Depends on the pasta itself and the shape. For this it says 9 minutes, but when I usually do this, I get like al dente pasta. So I'm gonna boil it for like 10, 11. I need something to mix it with. Let's use a potato masher. Actually, whatever. Now put a wooden spoon and the lid back on. Ooh, yeah, something like that. I just remembered that turned on the fan. Probably the sound was weird. Anyway, wait for it to boil. Also, meanwhile, you can turn your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit, preheated, so you will be able to use it immediately. Pasta seems to be about done, so turn off the heat and move it to the drain station, or as all of us call it, the sink. Anyway, drain your pasta. Could have used this spoon to mix the pasta. Anyway, drain it, drain it, drain it. This looks like the Snoop Dogg's room. If it's a bit wet still, it's fine. Unless you're deep frying the pasta, which is not fine, then you have to pat it down so there's no water left because we don't want fires. Oh my God! Get a sheet pan and then just simply steamy. Pour the pasta out. Salt everything. Maybe pepper. I don't know. Oh, no! Okay, the audio was cut off, which is perfect. Shit. Anyway, salt, pepper, and maybe use some oregano. Here we go. Some basil. There we go. And let's use some smoked paprika. Lots of people use different spices and different sauces for these recipes. I'm just here to test the recipe. Then finally, I'm gonna add some, well, not some. I'm gonna add all the tomato paste I have left, just like this much. It's not a lot, but it's honest work. You should add more. Come on. I'm not gonna struggle anymore. Now I'm gonna use my bare hands. I hope this is, yeah, it's still very, very hot. I'm gonna use this spoon to mix everything. And the most important part, I forgot. Of course, olive oil. Olive oil. So we can drizzle it on top like so. Or maybe have this specific tool, which is like oil spray thing, if it would work. Nice. Anyway, just mix it all around. Actually, it's a lot of pasta, so 250 grams is enough for sure. A bit more salt, maybe. I don't know. Always helps. And a bit more of the same spices. Make sure to cover everything. Also use like a tablespoon of tomato paste. No shit. Everything is fine. Maybe don't use like this shape of pasta. Use something like penne. It's gonna work out fine. I'm usually wrong at these. So. course it's gonna work out fine. Why wouldn't it? Oh, I guess the final part is Parmesan cheese. So grate some Parmesan cheese on all of them. Okay, maybe mix a little bit more. And another layer of cheese. I think that's enough. Now all that is left to do is shove this bad boy into the oven and mix a little bit midway through, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm skeptical, but I might be wrong, so. Okay, it's time to mix. Ooh, man, it's not burning to the bottom yet. It's been like, what, 7 minutes? Should be halfway there, but it doesn't seem like it. Also, you can line your sheet pan with parchment paper, which I should have done because there's cheese. It's not easy to get it off, so learn from my mistakes, you know. Great, now meanwhile, while we're waiting, we can make some sauce. It's not necessary, but damn it, it's the middle of the night. Anyway, you can use whatever sauce you like. I wanted some tomato, ketchup, and mayo sauce. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add 2 parts mayo and 1 part, shake it before use, ketchup, like that. And just mix that. It's simple as that. We can spice this up a little bit with same herbs that we used before. Basil and some oregano. So I'll add a pinch of that. And then another pinch of that, maybe a tiny bit of salt, very little, and let's mix. I didn't make a lot because I don't know if I like it, but yeah, it tastes great. Okay, I smell it, it's time. Oh, also I forgot to tell you, use the convection option of your oven, and whoa, jeez, what the hell is this sound? Listen to that. It's like an airplane. Jesus. Oh yeah, they crisped up. As I said, maybe use like pasta that doesn't have as many edges. Not edges, like, so it cooks more evenly, but now I guess we have to wait for it to cool down. And then we'll get cracking. Maybe add a bit more cheese. Maybe not. Great. It has cooled down. Let's pour it into a bowl and let's taste test. Clean up on aisle me. Grate some more Parmesan and our sauce. Okay, so it's weird. Like, we just cooked a dried pasta and then dried it again. Anyway, let's see what the fuss is about. I'll just try it with a bit of cheese and nothing else. Get the microphone close. Maybe I need another one with some sauce. I don't know. Just give me a minute. This one looks crispy. I'll try it because I'll hold my judgment for now, but maybe a bit more sauce, yeah. Add some more time. Honestly, it's not worth it. It's probably like a B tier. It tastes very similar to like dry pasta, except for the fact that it has, you know, some spices on it, and that's it. Nothing special. Let's try this one. This one is super crispy, so. Okay, hold up. The crispy ones, like the brown ones basically, they're better. I guess I didn't wait long enough because, as you can see, I can still bend these, but not these. These ones will just break. I guess it could move to A tier. It's nothing extraordinary. It's nothing special. I wouldn't call it a chip, like potato chips. This sounds amazing, but I mean, the sauce is not perfect also. Maybe I should have used marinara sauce, but even plain, it's not good. So yeah, A tier. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next week. Stay safe. Peace!